Hello and welcome back to Learn English Together. I am Nikki.
And I am Ash. Today we are doing something different. We are giving you a wake up call. The real talk in simple English. This is not just about language, it's about life.
Exactly. We want you to stop whatever you are doing. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, am I really living or am I just existing?
Everyone wants the dream life, travel, freedom, a dream car, true happiness, the confidence to speak fluent English. But what are you doing today to get any of that?
Are you still scrolling endlessly? Still watching random videos? Still making excuses? Still afraid to fail? Listen, this is your one life. You don't get a second chance. This is it. This is your moment.
We are here to give you a mirror so you can see the truth and wake up. If you want to change your life, speak better English, and become unstoppable, listen with our soul.
And if you want more of this real, powerful talk, then subscribe to Learn English Together right now. We don't just help you improve your English, we help you change your life. Let's begin.
Lesson 1. Time is your life. Don't kill it. The simple truth, you are not killing time. Time is killing you.
Every time you say, I will do it tomorrow, or hit snooze, you are just not wasting time, you are destroying piece of your actual life. Your time is your life.
Life is moving, every second is going away. Your dreams are waiting, but for how long? That someday you are waiting for, it's a lie.
Solution: start treating your hours like gold. Cut 1 hour of social media every day and use it to read, learn, or practice English. Time is your friend only if you respect it.
Lesson 2. Stop blaming and start building. Your life is your responsibility, not your parents and not your friends, not your government. Yours.
Many people waste years crying about what they didn't get. I didn't go to a good school. I don't have the money. I don't have the talent. They are just excuses.
Hmm. The people who win in life are the ones who say, I don't care what I didn't get. I will create something from nothing. Think of powerful people who started with nothing. They had one thing, a fire, a hunger to change everything.
Here is a solution: accept your story, but don't be a victim. Write your problems down, then write a one solution for each and take action. You are not weak, you are just not using your power.
Lesson 3. Your comfort zone is a trap. Your daily routine, checking your phone, scrolling, maybe studying a little. Feels easy, but you are dying slowly from the inside.
Yes, your comfort zone is killing your dreams silently because there is no growth in comfort. All success live outside of it.
You want to speak fluent English? Then speak. Even if you make 100 mistakes, you want to start a business. Start, even if you fail 10 times.
Imagine a seed. It has to break through the ground, face the sun and the wind to become powerful tree. You are the same. Solution: do something uncomfortable every day, fair proudly but fail forward.
I will do it later is a lie. Lesson number 4, I will do it later. It's a lie. Let's be honest. If you keep saying, I will do it later, you are lying to yourself.
I will do it later is the voice of laziness and fear. It actually means I don't want to do it at all.
The people who win are the ones who say now. It means right now. They act even if they are scared because they know later become never.
You keep saying you want to learn English. When does that later come? Next year? Here is a solution. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Whatever it is, start it now. One action now is better than 100 perfect plans for later.
Lesson number 5, stop thinking, stop doing. For many people, their mind is their cage. Why? Because they think too much and do nothing.
They overthink the business, plan the gym routine, and watch videos about speaking English, but they never actually speak. Overthinking is destroying your life. You get tired before an even start.
You don't need to know everything to begin. You just need to begin. If you want to learn swimming, you have to jump into the water. If you want to learn swimming, you have to jump into the water. Reading books won't help you swim.
Think for 10 minutes, then act for next 10 hours. Build momentum. Let action become your habit. Success doesn't come from thinking, it comes from doing.
Yes, exactly. Lesson number 6, be that guy. Don't be the lazy one who complains. Be the guy who does that others don't.
Be the guy who wakes up early, who studies when others are partying, who speak when others are scared, but the guy who inspired without saying a word.
Yes, not everyone will believe in you. That's okay. You believe in you. You support you. You are not here to say the same. You are here to grow and become the man. Choose success speaks for him. Why not you?
Every morning, ask yourself, what would a disciplined person do today? Then do that. Don't tell people your plans. Show them the result.
Yes, exactly. Lesson number 7, you versus you. Your biggest enemy is not outside, it's the part of you that tells you to quit, the part that says, I am tired, the part that want to stay average.
Yes, you versus you. That is the real battle. The lazy you versus ambitious you. The scared you versus the brave you.
Imagine two walls inside you. One is lazy, it means negative, full of doubt. The other one is strong, confident, and hungry. Which one grows stronger? The one you feed.
Kill your lazy habits. Track your day. Every time you win against a weak version of you and celebrate it. This is a war and you it's your versus you.
Yes. Lesson number 9, comparison is killing you. If you keep comparing yourselves to others, you will never be happy.
Yes, Ash, you go on social media, you see someone with a perfect is life, better English, more success. You are comparing your behind the scenes with their highlight reel.
Yes, you don't see their pain, their loneliness, or their 1000 failures. And yet, you let this destroy your confidence. The fastest way to kill your progress is to compare it with someone else's success.
Yes, here is an example. A sunflower and a rose should not compare their heights. They are both beautiful in their own way. It means focus on your journey, track your growth from last month, not someone else today. Be better than who were every yesterday.
Lesson number 12, no risk, no story. You want a story worth telling, you don't get greatness without a risk.
No successful life is built in the comfort zone. Every champion had to risk something: money, time, safety, and sometimes their heart.
Without risk, your life becomes quit, prediction, and empty. At the end of your life, no one will remember how safe you play it. They will remember what you dared and what you built.
Solution: take one risk today, speak English even if they might laugh, apply for that job, post that video, and ask yourself, what's the worst person that could happen? Then ask, what if actually works?
Final thought, the clock is ticking. Listen closely. The clock is ticking. It's not waiting for you to be ready. You won't realize how much time you have lost until you wake up 10 years older, full of regret.
When you are finally going to stop watching others win and start creating your own life, you are not too young, you are not too old, you are just making excuses.
Yes, exactly. Remember this. Nobody cares. That's your greatest power. If nobody cares, you are free to do whatever the hell you want. You are free to fail and rise again.
Stop accepting life to be easy and start demanding more from yourself. You have no idea what you are capable of.
You are not just a human being, you are a storm waiting to rise.
Now, pick up your heart, fix your posture, clean your tears, and start walking again. Your life is waiting. Your dream is waiting. It's time to get it.
Now we ending our small podcast episode, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Learn English Together.